Hey everybody, Matt Johnston here, and I am back with some more Maryland-specific things. So if you happen to be a Maryland-based employer or business that does not have to pay sales tax, you can skip this video. If you're not a Maryland-based business, you can skip this video. If you don't pay state sales tax for Maryland, you can also skip this video. Please go to our website, Mattthelawyer, that's with 3 T's, Mattthelawyer.com, see some of our other content. But before you do, be sure you click the subscribe button down there below and click the bell so that you can get notifications when we post new content. So the Maryland General Assembly just finished their legislative session, and one of the things that they passed was some sales tax relief for small businesses, so that those small businesses can get some economic relief from their sales tax burden. So for the months of March, April, and May, companies can claim up to $3,000 in a sales tax credit, meaning you don't have to pay the sales tax, you don't have to remit the sales tax. Now, to do that, you do have to be timely with your quarterly or monthly sales tax reports. So you need to make sure you file those. You can do that electronically. If for March, if you file quarterly, your April report had to be on time. Your July report, which would cover April, May, and June months, so the tax credit's not available for June, but it is available for April and May. If you file that in July, then you will be eligible to claim the credit up to $3,000 per month. So if you make $50,000 or less in sales, you can claim the tax. If you make more than $50,000 in sales, you can still claim the sales tax credit, but you're limited to $3,000. So you're limited to your actual sales tax liability or $3,000, whichever is less. So bear that in mind. So if you have any questions, you really should speak to your accounting professional. You can also call the State of Maryland Comptroller's Office to get a little bit more information. We're going to put the website for the information about the sales tax credit down below in the show notes. And if you have any other questions about the sales tax relief, you can give us a call, or you can schedule a time using our handy dandy little scheduler that you see right down there. In the meantime, be sure to hit the subscribe button up here if you haven't already. And if you want to go here, you can see some of our other video content, as well as go to Mattthelawyer.com and you can check out some of our other content. In the meantime, we'll be speaking to you later. Go out and watch some live soccer. It's a lot of fun time to do so. In the meantime, take it easy. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.